Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, I wanted to show the last border designs I had worked on. So if you haven't checked those out, check out my channel page, and it's the latest video besides this one. So I also have playlists of border designs, and I'll put those at the top right hand corner. So let's get started. So today the first border design is flowers. Again, I've been doing a lot of flowers. I just love them. I think they're so pretty, and spring is almost here, so I hope you guys like this. Let me know which one is your favorite. I don't know. I think this one is, even though this the second one with all the bright pink splotches is different. You know, I haven't done anything like that, so I thought that one was very bold, and I liked it too. So I'm doing something a little bit different in this video. At the very end, I placed a Bible verse right before the end of the video, like a few seconds before. It's a very good Bible verse, and I haven't been feeling very well. I've been fighting the flu. I had a cold, I had strep, and it's just like it really spoke to me. So I thought I would share that with you guys. So it's at the end if you want to read it. It's very inspirational. So now we're moving on to the second one. You guys might be wondering why my hands are wrapped like that. It's because I have pain in my fingers. So it's I can't remember the name of the tape. It kind of gives you a compression on your fingers, and it helps. So when I'm bending them, it doesn't hurt as much, and it helps. So I hope you don't mind. So here's this last one, and I will leave in the description box below all the items that I used today, and you can check out my Amazon link. And that link, it doesn't cost you anything extra. If you shop on Amazon, you will help promote my channel. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.